Hey, it's Jeremy from RetroShop here, and on the bench right now we have a set of quad headlights, and in this case a set of black quads. It doesn't matter if they're black or chrome. What we're going to do is show you how to install a set of HID bulbs into these lights. So a couple things you'll need: cordless drill or some sort of a drill with a 3/4 inch hole saw. It's the size that we use for drilling into the dust cap. Of course, you've got your bulbs. I have a small X-Acto knife here just for trimming things up. So what we're going to do, first off, we're going to pull the dust cap off of this light. So here you've got one for the high beam and the low beam. We're just going to show on the low beam right now. So if we take that and set it here on your workbench, you want to drill right through the middle here. Nice mess. So, next up, what I like to do after I clean up everything, because I'm a little bit anal retentive about that, I use an X-Acto knife simply to trim up any of the slag here. And once that's done, you're left with two spots here where it's a little bit higher from the larger portions of the cap. So I like to trim those down as well, just a little bit, just to give it a nice flush spot for the grommet to sit at. Okay. So once everything is trimmed up, next step would be to install the bulb itself into the grommet here, or into the dust cap. So in this case, what we're using is a set of Morimoto XB bulbs. Currently, these have external wires to them. It doesn't matter if the bulbs, update and they have the bulbs already connected to them. It's the same process. So let me show you here. So we have our H11 bulb for the quad headlight here and the bulb wires. So before we hook anything up here, we're going to run these through this grommet here. And then you're going to seat the grommet. You want to make sure you get a very well-seated grommet here and on the outside. That way you're not going to get water coming through this connection. Okay? So what you're left with is a black and a non-black wire. It could be yellow, could be orange, could be red. And you've got your connection here. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the H11 bulb from the stock light. Then what I like to do is I like to test fit this to see which way I have a solid connection. Because you'll notice the H11 connection has two different ways it can plug in. Here's where I have that solid connection. My black wire is here, so I'm going to insert my wire here. Then I'm going to insert the other side to the non-black wire. Now that is connected, so everything's good there. This is connected inside. Then we're going to plug our bulb into this wire. And then we simply install the bulb. Gotta make sure everything's lined up. Okay. Once everything is lined up, you just set the dust cap back over and twist it back into its spot. And that's it. From here, you've got your bulb wire, or the OEM connection as we'll call it, because this is going to go to either your CAN bus adapter or your wiring that you're going to use for your HIDs. And then you've got your bulb wires here. So we'll go over wiring in the next couple videos here, but that will give you a good idea of how to install this bulb inside the quad headlight. So if you have any questions about this or anything that we do here at RetroShop, feel free to give us a call, 314-669-4437. We're in the shop Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 Central Standard Time. Or shoot us an email, jeremy@retroshop.us. Thank you very much.